True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Welcome to the channel. Yeah man, welcome to the channel. I am on Cooke, Boulevard. Big up on yourself anywhere now watch from. On your left you have the KFC. You want to come and get KFC finger licking chicken. Yeah man, so big up on yourself. This is what Cooke Boulevard look like. Yeah man, leave in the comment section where you wanna watch from. I really appreciate it, Really appreciate it. Yeah man, I always obey the stoplights. Know a lot of people run the light. Yeah man, so now have a lot of security cameras around nowadays, and right here you have a juicy beef patty. So if you don't want chicken patty and thing, you don't need to come right on the Cooke Boulevard. Come get chicken patty. And also, this is where you find out one of the biggest fire station in Jamaica on the Boulevard right here. On your left, yeah man, that's the big fire station, Montego Bay fire station. Yeah man, you see it. Area 4 headquarters. Big up on yourself, firefighter, saving lives and protecting property. Big up on yourself, because we know it's not an easy task with the job you all do. So big up on yourself, firefighters them. Big up yourself, the police, teacher. Yeah man, a lot of people don't like to even big up the farmer them, Big up on yourself, the garbage man, all I want to big up on yourself. You have to make Jamaica clean. Farmer them have to support the different places with some ground food and some scallion. So big up the St. Elizabeth people them on the south side, the bread basket, who supply a lot of different seasoning and ground product in the Montego Bay city area to a lot of different types of hotels. So big up the St. Elizabeth people them, Chilani, big up the whole of Jamaica, and big up on yourself. So Tour Jamaica with Fire Reid. So we have a little bit of traffic today. So we're going to sit down and enjoy the ride. Vehicle flowing free. And also you need to visit the Harmony Park Beach, St. James. Yeah man, visit the beach there. So 2024. So all the people who are traveling to the airport in the Montego Bay area, please leave out as early as possible, because sometimes the traffic in this area can be very crazy and you will miss your flight. So please be on time, left out early enough, try to catch a flight on the Long Hill area that place can be so devastating. A lot of traffic. Traffic. Big up your hustler them in the street who are clean the car glass them, and big up on yourself. Can't disrespect nobody, you know, because some of the times we don't have no windshield wiper, no windscreen wiper in the car. Some of the time we can't get a clear vision. So big up on yourself who are clean off the glass them, and big up on yourself, youth. They sound earning the honest bread for sending the kids go to school. A lot of people out there looking jobs, you know, but jobs sometimes really hard to find in Jamaica. I know a lot of qualified people in Jamaica and still don't have a job today. And still a lot of people look down on people because of the job they do to survive in Jamaica, but everybody cannot do the same job. Wow, the sky is so beautiful. Overcast today. Very, very beautiful. Stay alive, don't drink and drive. Yeah, man. On your right, you know, say over there, so there are some. Is what? Some swag going over there. On your right, some fest. Yeah, man. The big stage show, Montego Bay, July 14 to the 20. So you need to go check out the artists, Berry Salmon. I see Bounty Killer gonna be there. Beanie Man. So you go enjoy some nice Jamaican music. July 14 to the 20. Check out it online. Book your date. Yeah, stop light not really work so properly, you know. So sometimes now if you look ahead and see what I'm going, because you see the stoplight is winking. So it just give you a green a while ago, so you have to be careful. Some terrible patrol on the road here, I know some miss one patrol a while ago. Trap a tire today wouldn't be a nice feelings. Yeah, man, we are going to the Bogue area. This can take you also to the Lucin, Negril. You know them area there? Down by the White Sand Beach in Negril. Wow. Enjoy the nice moment in Negril, Westmoreland. must say a mango time, you know, mango time in Jamaica. People are selling East Indian mango, Julie mango. So it's like about 6 mangoes you get like for $2,500. For about 6 mangoes, you know. So big up all of the Bourke people, them wanna big up on yourself. Big up on yourself, the Bourke people them. Caution, open change ahead. Yeah man, if you really sign them on the road, and some taxi man does a drive, really sign them and run off in a change on the road. Now if you really sign them, really sign them and see what go on. Patrol them terrible.